62. The capacity to generate a whole new plant from any cell is known as macropropagation. This statement is false or true. The correct option is option A. This statement is false. MCQ 63. What is protoplast? A. Cell wall plus plasma membrane. B. Plant cell and cell wall. Cytoplasm plus cell wall. Plasma membrane minus cytoplasm. Correct option is option B. When we remove cell wall from plant cell, it is called protoplast. MCQ 64. Potato is a symmetric hybrid. This statement is true or false. Option 1 is correct for this. This statement is true. MCQs number 65. What are somatic hybrid? Hybrid protoplasts, fused plasmid, fused chloroplast. Correct option is option 1. Hybrid protoplast. MCQs 66. Which of the following is not related to embryo culture? Growth of embryos on culture medium, developing seedling, multiplication of rare plant, making virus-free plant. The correct option is option D. Making virus-free plant is not related to embryo culture. 67. Which of the following is not an application of tissue culture? Rapid clonal propagation, somoclonal variations, embryo rescue, transgenic plant. The correct option is option C. Embryo rescue is not a application of tissue culture. MCQ 68. Are encourage dependent and propagate as monolayer attached to cell culture vessels. Autologous cells, eukaryotic cells, prokaryotic cells या adherent cells. The correct option is option D. Adherent cells. MCQs number 69. Hematopoietic cells are example of suspension cell, adherent cell, stem cells, living cells. The correct option is option A. Suspension cells. MCQs 70. Is growth of tissue explant in an artificial medium tissue culture, primary cell culture, horticulture, cell culture? The correct option is option D. Cell culture. MCQ 71. Optimal pH to be maintained while culturing mammalian cell is 4 to 5. This statement is true. 72. Which is the method of maintaining a whole embryo or organ accessed to from host organism in an artificial medium? Organ culture, explant culture, horticulture, cell culture. The correct option is option A. This is an organ culture. MCQs number 73. The cell isolation step is the last step in cell culture. This statement is true or not? This statement is 74. Various cultures require the cell culture of different living cells, mammalian cells, plant or microbial or origin as host and support for growth and conjugation of the viruses, shelter, replication, propagation, proliferation. The correct option is option B. Growth and replication. MCQ 75. Vaccine for measles, rubella are currently made in cell culture. This statement is true. MCQ 76. Which are the replacement of extracellular matrix in artificial cell culture medium? hydrogels, meshes, bones, muscles. Correct option is option A, hydrogels. 77. Cell culture technique in 2 dimensions was first discovered by Wilhelm Rox, Alexander Fleming, Francis Crick, Carey Mullis. The correct option is option A, Wilhelm Rox. MCQ 78. Trypsin is used for dissociating the tissue into single cells. This statement is true. 79. In a secondary culture, cells are obtained from primary culture, the organ culture, phenotypic culture. The correct option is option A, primary culture. MCQs number 80. A data bind the ions, magnesium ions, iron ions, carbon ions, or calcium ions. The correct option is MCQs number 81. HeLa cells are cell line. This statement is true or false? This statement is true. MCQs number 82. Under favorable condition, the protoplast can grow into callus culture. Option B is organ culture. Option C is root culture. Option D is shoot culture. The correct option is option A, callus culture. MCQs number 83. The process of de-differentiation in cell culture can be given rise to induced pluripotent stem cells, carcinoma cells, single protoplasts, fused protoplast. The correct option is option A, induced pluripotent. MCQs 84. After the first subculture, the primary culture is called clone, daughter cells, cell debris, cell line. The correct option is option D. This is called cell line. MCQs 84. Refers to removal of cells from the multicellular organism along with few growth factor and grow in favorable environment. Cell culture, cell division, cell isolation, cell proliferation. The correct option is option A, cell culture. MCQs 84. A typical cell culture environment consists of various like amino acid, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals, nutrients, gases, hormones, growth factors. Correct option is option A. These are all nutrients. MCQs number 87. If cell needs to be stored, they must be treated with an appropriate protective agent like H2SO4 and stored at temperature above 0 centigrade. This statement is false. MCQs 88. Cell culture can be categorized into 5 types based on the shape of cell. True or false? This statement is false. MCQs number 89. Which of the following is considered as a most basic level of safety? BSL 1, BSL 5, BSL 8, BSL 10. The correct option is option A. BSL 1 is considered as a most basic level of safety. MCQs number 90. Is appropriate for agent that might pose a greater individual risk? BSL 4, BSL 3, BSL 2, BSL 9. The correct option is option C. BSL 2 is appropriate for agent that might pose a greater individual risk.